Welcome to Digital Answer Based YouTube channel. In this video today, we'll be looking at on how to select all your emails in Gmail. First, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, you're presented with this particular view. In my instance, it's the inbox, but for yourself, it could be a different inbox or a start or anything else, how you've set up your Gmail account. Every single page will have this little, when you click down, it will have the option to select all, none, read, the one you've read, the unread one, start, and unstart one. So if you click select all happiness, it will select 50 conversations. That's the maximum you can select on each page. Then what will happen is you can select all 56 basically in the whole inbox. If I select that, so that basically means all 56 emails have been selected. And then you can then obviously do what you want to do next. So let's say, hypothetically speaking, you're looking for a particular email. So let's just look for Pinterest. So as you can see, all of my Pinterest emails are only 20. So let's say if it was more than 20, more than 50, then what will happen is if I was select here, I will have the same message here saying that's more than 50, which is like to select them all. So depending on how many they are, you can obviously select. This is how you select all the emails in your inbox or in any particular folder. So what you can do is then you can put them into a folder. I've already got a video on how to set up and also how to set up certain rule sets. So you can find those videos on my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like what you've seen today, please hit the like button, the subscribe button also. If you got any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll see you in the next video.